Hello, John Baca here, Home Standards. Have an electrical panel here that's very recognizable. Something to take a look at. As you're doing a walkthrough, you're looking at a house, just look for a panel that looks like this. If you have a home inspection, any home inspector is going to call this out. And most electricians recommend that these be switched out. Panel that looks like this. We got the red breakers. It's a Federal Pacific stab lock panel, Federal Pacific right there. They've had breakers. When they have breakers, it wouldn't trip off when they need to, which is the function of a breaker while you have it. So it'll cut the power to that circuit and prevent, electrical fire type thing from happening. So another thing going on with this panel that you won't see doing a walk through, but your friendly home inspector can point out to you is wiring. Copper looks like that. Aluminum is silver as such, and so definitely something to be aware of for the client looking at this house. Aluminum wiring, aluminum as a metal will expand and contract more with heat and cause loose connections. So sometimes an electrician will want to come in and switch all the ends of the wire. So that's a pretty extensive thing to do when someone does that. So Federal Pacific stab lock panels, red breakers, very common houses through 60s and 70s. Also not as common, but still something to look for around that time period with aluminum single strand wiring. All right, thanks.